Hola amigos, I'm Arvind Kumar and I welcome you in our Spanish learning course, Spoken Spanish for Everyone. And this is our first lesson and we are going to learn Spanish vowels. How to pronounce the Spanish vowels. Friends, Spanish vowels are just simple sounds. They are single sounds like most vowel sounds in continental European languages. So let's begin. Our first vowel sound is a. It's something between like cat and father. A and a. So ako. Garlic. Ancla. Anchor. Avion, aeroplane, arma, weapon, avispa, wasp, avispa. Let's repeat. Ajo, ancla, avion, arma, avispa. Good. Our next sound is a. A is something between like a in pet, net, and a in they and day. A. Mente is mind that gives rise to our English word mental. España, Spain, pez, a fish, mesa, a table, Scorpio, a scorpion. Let's repeat. Mente, España, pez, mesa, Scorpio. Good. Next sound is E. It's not like English I. The first person is pronoun singular. No, it's just E. Isla. It's island. Iglesia. Church. And imagen. That's image. So isla, iglesia, and imagen. That's it. Our next sound is O. Trono. Throne. Oso. Toro. Bull. Rosa is rose, and oveja, sheep. So let's repeat. Trono, oso, toro, rosa, and oveja. Very good. Next sound is U. Don't confuse it with English like you. In English we are habitual to speak it you, like you. No, it's just U. Uva, grape. Fuente, a fountain. Fuente. Una. These are articles A and N for masculine and feminine singulars. A, una, a. Puño. Fist. Puño. So let's repeat. Uva, fuente, una, puño. Now some diphthongs sounds, but in Spanish diphthongs are not in the sense of English diphthongs. In English we have just combined two vowel sounds, but in Spanish we pronounce these sounds separately. Greco, Greco, Greek. Diablo, diablo, devil. Rueda, rueda, wheel. Siete, siete. The number 7. Don't be confused with the stars. It's 7. Veinte, veinte. The number 20. So Greco, diablo, rueda, siete, veinte. That's good. So for practice sake, some more sounds, some more words, sorry. Toro. Let's check your memory. Toro. What is toro? Bull. Fuente. Fountain. What's it? Yes. Avispa is a wasp. Puño. Puño. What's a puño? Yes. Fist. Avión. Avión. Ajo. Ajo. Uva. Uva. Grape. Some more words. Cama, a bed. Camisa, shirt. Enero. Enero. January. Flecha. Flecha. Arrow. Hoy. Hoy. Today. Igual. Igual. Equal. Libro. Libro. A book. So we have gone through the vowel sounds. Once you have practiced and mastered the vowel sounds, then we will advance towards the consonant sounds. Consonants are pronounced with the help of vowels. Without mastering the vowel sounds, you are not able to pronounce the consonant sounds properly. So take care. Bye.